All right, I'm gonna buy my first item. All right, so how do we do first? You press it,
Get it right there.
and then do that. Boom! That's yours. I bought it for you. It's a surprise.
Star Wars Coke. That looks like the Star Wars Coke wannabe. What are you gonna get?
Same thing.
I can't get these in Kansas, you know that.
This is our first.
Coke Zero, Star Wars Coke Zero.
I got Yoda. I got Yoda. This card is free money practically.
It's free money.
It's just free money.
Money on it.
Yeah,
But it's free for that.
but it's free.